So what's in the kit? Okay, let's get started. The box has arrived and you need to embrace for the next 5 days. The first thing I want you to do in the kit is to grab your soups out of the plastic bag. I'm just going to grab one for you now. And you have 10 beautiful soups. I would highly encourage you to put them straight in the freezer. I believe fresh is best. So pop your 10 soups in the freezer. However, leave soups for day 1 out into your fridge. And then you're ready. Okay, so let's start with day 1. Every day has a beautiful sachet for you, easy to follow. And in this day is everything you'll eat, in addition to the 2 soups you've just placed in the fridge. So what's in my packet? I love starting with a bar. Now, I'm not going to say there's any hard and fast rules. However, I find that in the morning I like to exercise, and after exercise I like a healthy, nutritious bit of protein. So that's my bar. So I've gone to exercise, I've come back and I've had my protein bar after exercise. Then I'm coming through and I'd like a snack. And this is where the olives might be a great opportunity for you to snack. Now I'm getting hungry and I'm coming to lunchtime. I'm going to warm my first soup of the day. The first soup of today I've chosen is pumpkin. Yum! Okay, I'm a firm believer in not using microwaves, but gently heating through a soup warmer. I'll leave that up to you. I warm my soup and I have my lunch in a calm environment. I come into the afternoon, I have got my next snack. My next snack for day 1 is some olives again. Okay, then I'm coming into dinner. This is going to be about 6 or 6:30 in the afternoon. I'm going to warm my second soup. On day 1, it's minestrone, and you'll love it. However, I love treating myself for dessert, and that's my last snack of the day. Okay, there's a few things I want you to think about in day 1 is, are you drinking enough water? So in the kit, you will find a water bottle that you get, and you need to drink at least 2 litres of water a day. We do give you a special little hydration mix. So for 1 bottle of water a day, put a teaspoon of hydration mix and sip it throughout the day. The other 3 full bottles of water you're going to have are just plain water, which is filtered at home. So I think everything in the kit I've just gone through. You have your soups, 10 of them. You have 5 days, each labelled day 1 to 5, and your water bottle. And if that's everything in your box, then you've got the complete kit to really get in and embrace the clean food fast. Good luck, you'll love it. Any questions, jump on our Facebook program now. We love to support you in this journey. It's a closed Facebook group just for people like you who've started on the journey of the clean food fast. Any question, we love answering your questions. You'll find your whole community. We have hundreds of people on that Facebook group now, and they will answer and guide you and support you. They're your biggest cheerleaders. Good luck.